Guys, today we're going to learn how to solve Rubik's Cube, and let's start. So first, the basic one I want to tell you is how to do one colored side in triangle Rubik's Cube. Okay, so let's start. Can you see this? Take a jumbled one, Rubik's Cube. Okay, so first, always when you do one color number or two colors or any color, how many, it doesn't matter how many you do. First, always when you start, you need to adjust the corners. So first, see these. Okay, so this is which color this is? This is red. So where is red? Here. So turn this corner to the red side and you fix this and this. The same way do to the other corners. Okay? And this one over here. So we solved this. Okay, let's see which color we are going to do now. My favorite color in these four colors is green. So let's start doing green. So this here's one piece of green. Here's one piece of green. Don't take one piece or two piece. Okay, take like this, which has two corners. Okay, and this piece. So we are going to, even this is this side. If we can't adjust over here, but these both we can adjust over here. So let's see. If we do over here, still we can't get this. But if we do over here, I think we can get it. Bring this up, bring this side, and you get. But if I bring this over here, this green and this green will be gone. So take this one up, and it doesn't matter if one goes, but if two goes, there is value. Okay, bring this up. Okay, again bring this. Even if this go, it doesn't match the green color, right? So bring this down and you got this and this combined. Now I'm going to teach you how to change this and this corners. Okay, so first we are going to learn where is the piece. There are two pieces missing in this. Okay, we have one piece over here and one piece over here. The easy way, check. If we move this to here, okay, move this to here, okay, it'll come here. Okay, again make it back and check if this can come over here. It's coming over here. So bring this down again, bring this side, bring. So so in the past we see the green can come over here. So bring this green over here and you got solved. And if you do again this blue, just turn it like this and you got the placement settled. But you can't fix this. You can fix this, but see the same value again. Bring this down, or if we make like this, it'll go on over here. Okay, just bring this down. Can you see this? Bring this down, bring this side, blue. It can come over here. It can come over the place where it was green. Let's see again. The green can also come over here. So bring this here, go up here, and boom, you got the one color settled. So we did the green color one, right? Now I'm going to teach you how to do all the colors. Okay, see, first when you did one color, as I told you in the now we have yellow here, we have blue over here. Bring this yellow over here. Okay, now here it is blocking, no? We can't get over here. This red should come over here. But it's okay. We'll try another color. we should always get the basement. Never bother about that. We should always get the base. Okay, means don't bother of this triangle, this top triangle. Okay, think the bottom. Always when the color is fixed, always the bottom should be same, in same color. One also should not be different color. Okay, next, now let's see this this and this is not matching. Okay, now we are going to do blue. Okay, let's start doing blue. As I told you, bring this over here. There is blue over here, so if we bring this down, bring this up again and bring this side over here. See, it's settled. And now if we can't bring it here, right? If this is only here, just take this side triangle. Okay, take the top triangle, push it this side. Now can you see this triangle? Bring this down, push this. Don't worry about it. Okay, just bring this up again, bring this side, bring this down, over. We solved it. Now again, can you see here the same one? Same. And if you don't understand, I'm going to show you again. Just bring this side. Okay, bring this side. Don't go that side, but bring this side. Okay, bring this side, bring this down, go again side, bring this up, bring this down, bring this down. Oh, can you see? Now we did two colors. We got two colors. Even if you did not get two colors or you have two colors, it doesn't matter. Okay. Now we have two colors done and two colors like this. Okay, don't bother about it. Just bring this, do as same as that one. I love to do red. Just bring this. See, can you see this? Just bring this down. Can you see this red? Just bring it here. Again up, there, down. Again this side, fixed, and we got here. And remember, always you need to get like this two eyes. Okay, compulsory you need to get these two eyes on the top one. If you did not get, you should do it again. Okay, so when you get two eyes, you need to do this. Okay, see. So when you get two eyes, okay, where we should do the same. The easy method to do it like this is just do another base color. So when you get the two eyes, okay, when you get the two eyes, you need to do this. Okay, just make another color. Now in these three colors, I love blue. Okay, in these three colors, never touch this green base one. Okay, never touch that. When you get these two eyes, can you see two eyes? Don't bother about them, they are good for us only. So pakka it should come. Okay, pakka it should come. These two eyes should pakka come. Okay, now now we should make another color of it. Now like blue, I love blue in these three colors. Okay, I'm going to do blue. Another base color we need to do. Okay, so I'll do blue. Now again bring this over this side and do this, and done. And this one done. So please like, share and subscribe for our channel. And again, thank you for watching our videos, and please like, share and subscribe again. So bye bye.